PowerPoint 2007, PowerPoint Made Easy, Introduction by Lisa Newton. So what will we cover in this course? We're going to look at creating slides and slide layouts and master templates. We'll look at adding photos and pictures into your PowerPoint presentation and also how to create a photo album. We're going to look at clip art, word art, smart art, tables, adding sounds and movies, looking at animation, and also importing from an Excel and Word document into PowerPoint. A little bit about your course tutor then. Myself, Lisa Newton. I'm an author and entrepreneur, user of PowerPoint since 1999. I have a degree in accounting and marketing and a master's in investment management. And I used PowerPoint a lot during presentations on the degree course, particularly on the marketing element side of things, because when we had to present to the class, the teachers were very keen that we used PowerPoint and not the overhead projector or the sort of handwritten slides, which is what they were just sort of being phased out at that time, and PowerPoint was really becoming the new in thing. It's an extremely handy program, makes you look very professional if you're having to present to groups of people. And the aim of this course is to show you something new and useful. So that's my aim, to make sure that you come away with something new and useful that you can then put into your own slides and presentations. So what will you need for this course? You will need PowerPoint 2007 or newer edition, so you need to have that installed on your computer. You need to have some basic knowledge of PowerPoint, and ideally some sort of an idea or a presentation that perhaps you're working on that you have in mind, so that you can have a go at what you're being shown in the videos and use that for your own real life presentation. So I do hope that you do have something in mind. So that's PowerPoint 2007, PowerPoint Made Easy. Let's make a start.